Welcome to AI Toolbox. Today, I'm sharing an amazing tool that simplifies creating 1-minute marketing videos. Let's dive straight into it. What if you could create diverse, engaging videos with just one click? Welcome to the future of video production. Imagine turning a simple photo into a captivating storyteller, or transforming a long video into 10 viral shorts effortlessly. Our AI tool, powered by GPT-4o, learns from 5 million videos to craft the perfect script for your needs. With AI-powered clip selection and editing, your video clips are automatically understood, selected, and edited to perfection. Experience lifelike AI voices from OpenAI and 11 Labs, making your video content professional and engaging. Our AI avatars are designed specifically for marketing, adding a personal and professional touch to your videos. AI auto-captioning generates diverse subtitle styles, making your short videos more viral and accessible. Supporting over 20 languages, our tool ensures your video content reaches a global audience effortlessly. Boost your video efficiency by 5x with our web-based AI tool, no skills needed, at just 5% of the cost of a professional editor. TopView.ai, the easiest way to create product marketing videos, making video production seamless and fast. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.